everyone, I'm Stevie from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our Cordless Pro LED shop lights. When I'm detailing and looking at paint, these lights are crucial. Issues that you'll have with your standard halogen shop lights, such as overheating and becoming scalding hot to the touch, lack of efficiency, and just not providing the correct light output for paint inspection, are now problems of the past. I can have them set up behind me on the fully adjustable tripod, the ground, or a number of other surfaces so I can always see that I'm fully removing defects as I work. We have 3 models of the Cordless Pro LED shop lights: 4300 lumen, 2100 lumen, and 1250 lumen, each of which have 3 brightness settings, built-in battery life and charge indicators, as well as a 5700 Kelvin color temperature rating. Each light comes with an awesome little swivel base, or for more mounting options, you can purchase our fully adjustable tripod or our neodymium magnetic base. Our tripod gives you nice height adjustability from 2.5 feet up to 6 feet and will hold up to 3 lights at one time. You can also remove the mounting bar if you want to only run 1 light mounted on the center. The versatility of this awesome lighting system makes it perfect for any detailer's garage. Thank you for watching. For more information on our Cordless Pro LED shop lights, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.